hear me now. Yeah. Lately I've been fighting battles in my mind, smiling on the outside, broken deep inside. Everyone is talking but nobody sees the heavy heart I'm carrying on my knee. I try to hold apart but I'm slipping away. I try to stand strong but I'm losing my way. Father, can you take this pain from me? I'm reaching out, Lord, I'm begging, please. I don't wanna fall again. I'm tired of hiding it. Only you can heal this heart. Only you can cover me.